утра. Фотография твоя, горят воспоминания о тебе. У камина в 6 утра разбита
I'm sorry. Sorry for everything, Shoko. Are you still mad at me? I'm so dumb. I should have asked her what she really thinks of me. And now I don't know if...